Let's know some key point about hard work and software work. I will invite Satish on stage.
Hello everyone, this is Satish. I am studying third standard in Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I am telling about hardware and software. Hardware. All parts of a computer that we can touch and feel are called hardware. Hardware in which all input devices such as keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. Hardware is divided into input devices, output processing, and storage devices, for example RAM, ROM, monitor, CPU, keyboard, etc. Software. Computer software is a set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular work. Software cannot be touched, for example WordPad, Paint, Photoshop, web browser, etc. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software is the acts like a middleman between the user and the computer. Operating system is an example of system software. The software that helps us to do a specific type of work is called application software. For example, Microsoft Paint, Microsoft Word, WordPad, TuxPaint, etc. Thank you everyone with golden opportunity.
Awesome. Cheer up him with your hands.